In this video, I want to go over some awareness niches for February. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I get into those awareness niches for February, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. I actually had a pretty good day yesterday. I did 57 sales and $85 in royalties, which for me is really good, especially since this is January. I was checking my stats last month for January, and I only did I think $300 or $400 for the whole month. And if I look now at my stats, I've already beaten that, and it's the 8th or 9th today. It looks like it's going to be a good January. Today, or right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning when I'm recording this, so I haven't had any sales yet. But we'll see how things go. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales on Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So these are going to be awareness niches for February that are low in competition, and the first one that I have for you is this one right here called Marfan Syndrome Awareness. If we go to Google, we're going to see that February marks Marfan Awareness Month, and it's just always a good idea to just do a quick little Google search about the disease, syndrome, cancer, whatever the awareness niche is. It's just going to help you design a little bit better. So if we just see who it affects or what it is, Marfan syndrome is an inherited disorder that affects connective tissues. Marfan syndrome most commonly affects the heart, eyes, blood vessels, and skeletons. Then you just want to know who it affects, like if it affects old people, young people, men, women, things like that. It says Marfan syndrome affects both men and women of any race or ethnic group may be affected. All right, so just keep that in mind when you're designing. But when we go back to Amazon, we're going to see that there's only 84 results for this niche. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. And when we look at the listings, we're going to see what the designs look like. So I'm a Marfan syndrome warrior sitting at 8 million. Now, the BSRs are not going to be the best for these niches, but as we get closer to February, you will see them go down. This one is cross niching it with a unicorn. We can see that the color for this niche or this ribbon is burgundy. Now let's see what else we have here. So we're going to see the ribbon with the flag. In this family, nobody fights alone. This one with the sunflower is sitting at 697 in the climate pledge friendly category. If we go to Etsy to take a look at the competition on some of the other print on demand websites, we're going to see Marfan syndrome awareness only has 1,200 results. Redbubble is sitting at 60. And if we go to TeePublic, I don't think I saw any, or just this one right here. So it could be a good opportunity on TeePublic. And when we go to Creative Fabrica, there's actually some designs that you can get right here. You just have to make sure that it comes with a special license. I should have probably checked this off before I showed you guys, but we can see like these ones look pretty good. You can also get some ideas to help you design if you don't have Creative Fabrica. If you want to sign up to Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission, but highly recommend Creative Fabrica. That's where I like to get all my designs and clip art for my Merch by Amazon business, and is honestly one of the reasons why I've been able to get good sales like this. So that's the first niche I have for you for February. The awareness niche, it is Marfan syndrome awareness. And then the next awareness niche I have for you for February is going to be CHD awareness. And if we go to Google, we're going to see that CHD Awareness Week is held each year from February 7th to the 14th. And when we take a look at the competition, we're going to see there's 183 results. Now, when I go to the third page, you are going to see that there's over 1,000 results. So this is probably the most competitive niche that I have for you in this video. But I think the reason why is because a lot of people are using just that keyword CHD in like other type of heart listings like transplants. So I still think it is a good one. When we take a look at the listings, we're going to see a lot of them have really good BSRs, like this one right here, 993. These two, 558 and 461, are in the climate pledge friendly category. But if you just go down this whole page, just everyone has nice BSRs. The colors for this niche are red and blue, and the majority of all of them are cross niching. So they're taking CHD and they're cross niching it with some type of demographic like mom, sister, nephew, grandpa, daddy, grandpa, grandma. So you can kind of see the trend there. So that's probably the route that I would go when designing for this niche. Competition on Etsy is 1,400 for CHD awareness shirt. Competition's a little higher on Redbubble, but still low, under 1,541 results. Let's see what TeePublic has. So TeePublic has a little bit of, actually not that much. You see the designs aren't really that good. So again, could be a good opportunity for us on TeePublic. And when I go to Creative Fabrica, there are a few designs that you might find that you can use for merch by Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform. So that is the second niche that I have for you for February, and it is this one right here, CHD awareness. And then the third niche I have for you for February for awareness is going to be Organ Donor Day. If we go to Google, we're going to see that National Donor Day is observed every year on February 14th on Valentine's Day. The competition for this keyword is 110 results. When I go to the third page, it does jump up to 275, but still low in competition. When we look at some of the listings, we're going to see what some of the designs look like. The color for this ribbon is going to be green. So if we look at this one right here, I contain recycled parts. It's sitting at 137 BSR in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. This one right here in this family, Nobody Fights Alone, 718 in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. This one has one review, sitting at 1.7 million. When we take a look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see that Organ Donor Awareness has 1,200 results. Redbubble sitting at 258. TeePublic, this is what some of the designs look like. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, you can get some designs here. Like this one looks pretty good. This one looks pretty good. If you just go to any one of my videos, I believe the affiliate link is it's in the description. It's the third one right here. So this one that says Creative Fabrica. So if you're interested in signing up, you can click on that link. But that is going to be the third awareness niche that I have for you for February, and it is Donor Awareness or Organ Donor Day. And then the next niche that I have for you is Angelman awareness, and I've actually had pretty good success with this one, just because I think it's so low in competition. Not too many people know about it. If we go to Google, we're going to see that International Angelman Day is February 15th. Competition for this keyword is only 100 results. When I go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 100 results. This is what some of the designs look like. The color for this ribbon is blue, so you'll see what some of the designs look like. I believe, you have to double check, but I believe this affects more children more than elderly people. But we can see like this one right here, His Fight is My Fight, saying at 709 in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 261 results for this keyword. Redbubble sitting at, 85 results, so really low. And then TeePublic, we can take a look and see what some of the designs look like. Now on Creative Fabrica, there wasn't any design, so you're going to have to create or design for this yourself. But you can get some inspiration from some of the websites that I just showed you. But that is, I believe, the fourth awareness niche I have for you for February, and is Angelman awareness. And then the fifth awareness niche I have for you is one that is extremely low in competition, and it is Raynaud's. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Raynaud's awareness. There's only 14 results. There isn't a third page, so I can't even show you. If we go to Google, we're going to see that each February is Raynaud's awareness month. This is what some of the designs look like. There's really not too many to show you, but we can see they pretty much all have BSRs, except for these ones down at the bottom here. Like this one right here saying at 200 in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. This one's saying at 3.2 million. Raynaud's disease warrior. Competition is super low on all the other print-on-demand sites like Etsy, only 736. Redbubble, only 6 results, super low. TeePublic, there wasn't anything, and I wasn't able to find any designs on Creative Fabrica, so this one's really low in competition. You won't have to run ads for it. You should just be able to get found for it organically, which is always nice. But that is, I believe, the fifth niche that I have for you, and if I'm saying it right, it is Raynaud's awareness. And then the last awareness niche I have for you for February is Anosmia. Don't know if I'm saying that right. Anosmia awareness. It's super low or extremely low in competition. Only 26 results. So again, no need to do ads. If we check Google, we're going to see that on February 27th is when it is Anosmia Awareness Day. So low in competition, but we're going to see it selling. So like these 4 right here all have BSRs. I think you might have to do something with the person smelling, or I'm not too sure because it says stinks, smelling. So might have to do a Google search on why or what this disease or syndrome is about. But again, super low in competition is going to be trending in February. Low in competition on Etsy, 1,500 results. On Redbubble, there's only 1 result. And TeePublic, I don't think I found anything. And there also wasn't any designs for it on Creative Fabrica. So that is I believe the 5th or the 6th niche I have for you. It is an anosmia, and that's going to be the video for today. Sorry for being low on energy. I'm still kind of sick, so you probably hear me sniffling. I'm just trying to get over this fever. Haven't been able to go to the gym for the past couple of days, so hopefully I can get better here shortly. I can get 1 more shot today from the doctor, and then hopefully I'm hoping on Thursday I'll be back to maybe 100%. But that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis on like trending niches for Merch by Amazon and Etsy. And then also, if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or even on Redbubble, I have 2 courses on Udemy. They're only 19 bucks a pop. They're good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. I will teach you how I get sales like this right here, 55, 53, 57. Actually, I'm pretty happy for how things are going for January, because usually January can be a slow month. But anyways, that's it for the video today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment below. I love reading your comments. I get notified, so I will respond. I will personally respond to every one of your comments, so make sure to connect. All right, see you guys on the next one. Adios.